Number 20. People will electronically vote from home. As we were experiencing a complete lockdown in almost each and every country, it would be difficult for the elections to take place. US is having presidential election scheduled in the year 2020, so we may see a way of people sending vote either from their phones or an EVM brought to their residential area. Number 19. Rapid increase in population. The current world population is 7.8 billion. As of May 2020, the prediction says the population will drastically increase by 2.2 billion people just in 1 year, and we don't need to display the effect of this on the current ecosystem. According to a survey conducted in April, people experienced more number of calls related to bank frauds, phishing, etc. For combating this crime, the cybersecurity department of most countries like US, UK, etc. are increasing their overall budget. Number 17. Working time will be cut down. The prediction says people currently working 34 hours a week will work 27 hours a week in the year 2020. Most of the institutions and companies will also reframe their schedules according to people's demands. Number 16. Computers will become invisible. Almost all tech gadgets are becoming smaller and smaller year by year. No surprise when computer will become so tiny that we won't be able to figure it out. We have already seen many tech giants achieving this aim with smartwatch, eyeglasses, etc. Number 15. Water will be more expensive than fuel. The prediction said that due to a scarcity or natural calamity, the water will become more expensive than oil and fuel. The climate change could be the reason for depletion in water level. Okay, so according to us, we haven't actually experienced water becoming more expensive yet, but we saw the oil becoming cheaper than the water. We don't know whether the water and fuel will lead in future. 14. A pandemic. Oxford Global Priorities Project had created a list of catastrophes that could kill almost 10% of the world population. According to a report of Oxford Global Priorities Project to 2016, the project was combating future pandemic and possible natural calamities. It mentioned the pandemic in this century could be natural as well as an engineered one. If we go towards the news and facts, we have experienced a pandemic like situation once in every 100 years. Strange, isn't it? Number 13. Warren Buffett will make a big purchase. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time and fourth richest person in the whole world, will make a very big purchase in the year 2020. This indicates there will be a high volatility in the stock market throughout the year. According to recent reports, he has liquidated most of his shares and reserved a huge amount of cash. So this prediction is likely to take place soon. Number 12. China will become world's largest economy. The prediction said China will become a superpower in terms of economy because of their population and utilization of their own resource. It didn't mention about the pandemic, but we can still see the economy of China getting better day by day. Rumors are that the Chinese market will replace USD dollars by their national currency yuan for trading purposes in their country. Number 11. New Pope. Pope Francis will no longer be in power of the Catholic Church in 2020. No speculation was made whether he would be assassinated, pass away, or step down. The prediction says that this new successor will be a young man who will make drastic changes. It also predicts that he will be involved in a scandal and the things will turn upside down. Number 10. Assassination of world leaders. The prediction says most of the current world leaders and politicians will either step down or will be assassinated. The list includes powerful leaders of nations like US, Russia and North Korea. Number 9, robot will be able to manipulate us. Robot will have full autonomy and they will become smarter and smarter until they were fully conscious and self-aware. They will outsmart us and use their wit to manipulate us. People will create robots to kill humans, probably for war, and this will be a new disturbing reality. 2020 might be the year in which the Terminator actually comes out in a real life. These robots will be equipped with fully automated weapons that will be used to hunt down and kill humans. Number 8, England will have a new king. The Queen will be turning 94 in the year 2020. So, according to this prediction, she will either step down or pass away. Since her coronation in 1952, Queen Elizabeth II has become England's longest reigning monarch. Once she passes away, according to sources, Great Britain will likely mourn for at least 12 days, and experts are estimating that country's economy will lose a few billion pounds. Banks and stock markets will close, and the funeral and coronation of new king will become new national holidays. Number 6, climate change. If you think climate change is just a conspiracy theory for some reason, then you were sadly mistaken. Over the most recent years, we have been trying to limit our global footprint, but it might already be too late. The drastic effects of climate change are going to severely impact us, and who knows, maybe in 2020 we will enter into Earth's sixth mass extinction where we will permanently damage critical ecosystem and radically alter the diversity of life on the planet. We believe it's kinda already happening. Let's not forget the Amazon forest fires and melting ice caps. Number 5, humans will set foot on Mars. Due to all these world distractions, people will definitely find a way to break into Mars at the earliest. NASA and SpaceX are already planning to send rovers to study the nature of the planet. We think everything will take place. The question is just when. Who knows, Elon Musk may have a personal spaceship for him that will help him to fly off from Earth in case of any mishaps, and his final destination will most probably be Mars. Number 4, huge financial crisis. The prediction in 2019 said that we might be on the verge of economic crisis. Some analysts are saying that 2020 will be the year which will have a series of black clouds headed our way, and we are all going to experience a financial crisis that will be similar or worse than the Great Depression of 1930s. Speculations are that the hedge funds will go bankrupt and the international exchange market will need to close to stop people from panically selling their shares, and of course the stock market will inevitably crash. Number 3, destructive earthquake. It predicted that many parts of world will experience an earthquake. Apparently, Nostradamus is predicting the earthquake will hit California between June 18th and July 12th. It's also believed that the earthquake will be high on a Richter scale. It also says that Europe will no longer be safe from earthquakes in 2020. There might be some seismic activity that will take place sometime in 2020 that will heavily affect Europe. Number 2, digital world. The world will completely go digital in 2020. Most of the countries will start planning on going completely cashless. All the transactions will be recorded and monitored by central governments. Many companies will change their traditional methods of service and evolve in 2020. Technologies in digital sector will upgrade to a greater extent. People might even buy houses and properties straight from their homes, and visiting each and every place will just be a memory. Number 1, World War III. World War III might become a scare reality in 2020 and almost began in 2019. We had the awkward and controversial conflict between NATO and Russia. Donald Trump and Kim Jong Un aren't on the greatest terms, and then we had those threats of nuclear war. If this happens, the world will probably be over and Earth will just be a toxic wasteland full of radiation and nuclear warheads.